What's up, guys? Hope everyone's well. Welcome back to another brief Bitcoin update. So not much has changed since the last video I made. We blasted through this point of control, which was the last significant area of local resistance for me, as I mentioned in the previous video. This point of control is from the fixed range pool of this all-time high range back here. Above us we have the monthly. We have the 618 from pivot high to pivot low. This lines up with a value area high from also this all-time high range, fixed range pool. Then we have this monthly imbalance or fair value gap, inefficiency, whichever you prefer to call it. This little white line is the equilibrium of that gap. And above that, obviously, we have our all-time high. Now, my bias still remains strongly bullish. As I mentioned, we will have retracements along the way. We did see a small retracement here on the 11th, and I did let our members know in the Discord. Big liquidity sweep on alts after a relatively small liquidity sweep on Bitcoin. I do expect things to recover, as this is a classic liquidity sweep. The way that we dropped so sort of aggressively and rapidly and then gave it all back almost immediately was quite suspicious to me. And obviously when I say gave it all back almost immediately, I don't mean come all the way back to here. I mean we had this big candle down and then we sort of left this wick going into the next day, and for me that was a clear sign that we were going to retrace and give this back. So going forward, my opinion remains we are in a bullish uptrend until we see a more significant change in market structure, like a breakdown from here below these lows here perhaps. Then we can start to think, okay, well, we've had a change in market structure. Then we can start to look at things a little bit more differently. At the moment, I'm still targeting higher levels. I do think that this 618 and this value area high lining up with this high here is a very, very significant level. I think if we come above this and then immediately come back below it, we can definitely look for short entries there. So monitor price when it comes into this area. Don't set limit orders and just blindly short, because we need to monitor price and see what it does when it gets there. Now, on a separate note, we have been absolutely killing it in the Discord with the signals, and we're on track to have an even better month than last month, which is insane. And that's pretty much everything that I want to go over today, guys. Keep it short, simple, to the point. These are the levels you need to look for. This is my overall bias, and yeah, we'll see how we go from there. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video and found it useful and informative, and I will see you in the next one.